Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here. Weather in a minute. Monday, the 6th of October. Thought I'd take a different satellite perspective this morning. We're using the full disk view, and we're seeing our part of the disk. And as we look up and down the eastern seaboard, you can see skies are mostly clear. You got to go all the way back to the Great Lakes to find clouds, and that's the next cold front that's arriving. I want to also point attention to the moisture that you see in the Northwest Caribbean, and also what you see in off the southeast coast of the United States, because all this week, the way things are going, pressures are going to be low there, and there is an increasing possibility that we could see a low pressure area develop late this week. It may be tropical, it may be subtropical, it could even wind up being non-tropical. But there are hints on various models that we could see this come up the coast and strengthen and perhaps bring nor'easter conditions for Columbus Day weekend. Nothing definite on the table yet. So let's do first things first and start off with the week ahead. And of course, today and Tuesday are going to be warm days in the 80s again. Highs will be in the low to mid 80s. You can see the radars are nice and quiet up and down the eastern seaboard until you get down into South Carolina and Georgia, where there's some light rain, and across the Gulf states. And here's the frontal boundary. From the Great Lakes back southwestward through Iowa and into Nebraska and Kansas. So that's still going to take another 36 hours plus for it to get here. And I don't see anything with respect to uh, rain coming in for at least along the coastal plain until sometime later Tuesday night. It will get into places in central and western Pennsylvania and western New York. We could wind up seeing, I think, anywhere from a half an inch to maybe as much of it as an inch. This is the WPC 7-day rainfall forecast. So this takes us through next Monday. And that's why you see the bulge in precip totals to an inch and a half to 2.5 inches from Long Island and southeastern New England southward. This is the early stage with regards to trying to figure out what's going to happen for the weekend. So let's quickly take you through what the European model has. All the models have this thing, but they have it in various ways, and some move it all the way up, some slide it out just to the south. Bottom line is we got a cold front with showers and storms coming through for later Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Then that goes out. It's going to turn significantly cooler with a big high building to the north. And then you can see the lower pressures off the southeast coast. And there's the low that forms on Saturday. And it intensifies as it heads up the coast. We'll see how this plays out in future model runs.